Hello everyone. Today I am going to explain about the simplification using Karnaugh map. The Karnaugh map I already have explained with the two variables. Using the truth table also I have solved the problem. Now here this another problem. I told you all, I think whenever I was explaining the first problem, that time I told you that is Karnaugh map with two variables, Karnaugh map with three variables, Karnaugh map with four variables, something like this. So two variables I already have explained. Now using the three variables I already have made the problem over here. Now I'm going to explain only how to make this Karnaugh map whenever you have the three variables and how you will reduce that expression. You see that given the Boolean function, these are the values, means how the question you will get. There's the question is here, given the Boolean function f, x, y, z. These are the three variables. I'm solving using the three variables and these are the values. Means these are decimal values. What is this? These are decimal values. These decimal values will come in truth table. You see that that truth table is not required for this Karnaugh map making. But if it is told that in the problem that you have to make the truth table, that time you can plot the values in the truth table in this way. If you see the truth table, you can understand it clearly, more clearly, that how to make that Karnaugh map. You see that. Reduce it using Karnaugh maps. Okay, so simplification, what we are doing, simplification or reduced expression. So truth table I have done in this way. You see the three variables, already the values are given over here. Now whenever the values are given here, that means these are the, what is the symbol? Symbol means SOP expression, means this is the symbol of SOP expression. Now this SOP expressions, the value what we are getting 0, 2, 4, 6, 5, 6. So this is decimal. This left hand side column is written for decimal value, and I told you these are what? These are binary numbers. Means whenever you will convert this value, it will come as the binary number this. So all this, the values 0, 2, 4, 5, 6. These 0, 2, 4, 5, 6. These are the positions, the values are 1. These are the positions, the values are 1 in truth table. That means these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, these 5 values we will plot in this Karnaugh map. It is heading is given 3 variables Karnaugh map. This is also written the 3 variables Karnaugh map. Now after plotting this value, we will reduce. You see that 3 variables Karnaugh map, how to write the Karnaugh map with 3 variables. That means 8 unique cells will be here. 8 unique cells. You see that 0 to 7 is written. How you will write whenever you have the 3 variables? You see that 0, what the decimal value? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Where 0, 1, not 2, 3. It should be 3, 2. Then again 4, 5, 6, 7. Why I am writing this one? That I think the first class of Karnaugh map I told you, that is how we are writing the heading of the 3 variables. According to that, there is a name of the cells. All these cells names, how it is written. What is this? Suppose that this cell name is what? X complement, Y complement, Z. Why? Because this is X, this complete row is X complement and this complete column is Y complement, Z. So if you, the name of this cell is what? X complement, Y complement. So X complement, Y complement, Z. This is X complement, Y complement, Z. If you think about this, so what will be this? This is the row X. So X, Y complement, Z. You see that what I have written? This you don't have to write. This mean terms you don't have to write over here. You can write only this 1, 1, 1, 1 where you actually you are getting this value. I have written that X complement, Y complement, Z complement where that is 0th place. That means 0th place. This is 0 is the decimal value. That is 1. Then the other places, all the places I have written this mean terms, but the value which one I will select for minimization. So where it is written once. Now let's see, I have given the values, we have to plot. We have to find out first maximum possible that frame. That means you are getting octet, means that 8 ones side by side or closely adjacent cells are there. That means octet. If you get the 4 side by side adjacent or the adjacent cells, that means it will be a quad. If you get only 2, this is a quad. You see that 1, 1, 1, 1, this is extreme edge. That means if you fold this way, if you fold from here, it will come here. If you fold from here, this one will come here. That means one, actually these are very close. this 1 1 1 1, this close, that means we are making one quad. So it is written this extreme left and extreme right. That doesn't mean that it will not make any quad. How it will make a quad? If you fold this paper, just think about this. This is a paper. If you fold this paper, this fold will come to here, this one will come here, this one will come here. Again, if you fold from this line, so this one will come here, this one will come here. That means 1 1 1 1, this is becoming one quad. Okay. Now you think this, according to that, we are getting a quad, and this side by side, this one is line, so we will take that one for making one pair. So whenever we are getting quad, what are the values, decimal values? You see that what is the mean term? Mean term 0, mean terms 2, mean terms 4, mean terms 6. So mean terms M0, M2, M4, M6. Using this 4, we are making a quad. And how to reduce it? So reduced expression will be Z complement. How it is coming? I told you in the first problem also. So we have to eliminate the variables. You see that if you see from top to bottom, this 2, if you compare, which one will be eliminated? Which is changing? This cell, this row is X complement, this row is X. So X complement to X, that means X will be eliminated from the this expression. Again, you see that. So, but you see that from this one to this one, you see that what is changing? Y complement is written. It is Y complement is written. It is Y. That means Y is also eliminated. Now, what is not actually, which is common thing? That will be as the answer. You see that Y is eliminated, and from top to bottom X is eliminated. That means Y, Z complement is not eliminating. That is Z complement is the answer from quad 1. That is reduced expression Z complement. This is the answer for the 3 variables. Similar manner, the pair, you just think which one is the pair? M4 and M5. You see that mean terms 4 and mean terms 5. Mean terms 4 means decimal 4. That is decimal 4 means this term, this term. You see that M4 means X, Y complement, Z complement, X, Y complement, Z complement. And 5 means X, Y complement, Z, X, Y complement, Z. That is 5. So using this 2 mean terms, if you process to reduce, what will happen? The answer will come X, Y complement. X, Y complement. You see that between this means this 4 and 5, what is common? What is common? X, Y complement is common. X, Y complement is here. X, Y complement is here. That is common. And Z complement and Z, that means which variable is changing, that will be eliminated from the expression. So the common thing will come as the answer. So this 2 sum up product, if you write in this form, that is called the answer. So this is what? This is simplification using Karnaugh map. So the question was this, answer is this. Thank you very much.